I remember right back in the day, a little street called Six is where I used to stay. Niggas would come over, and that is where we chill. And bitches would come over because they knew the deal. We always kept it real, we always kept it sealed. We always had a big pump, living how we feel. Yeah, my cup's empty, get refilled. Yeah, I need a cut, I go see Bill. I do it for my squad, I do it for my squad. We been in the front, living out in the yard. I do it for my squad, we always going hard. Anywhere we go, the people know just who we are. Cause I do it for my squad, we gonna get it lost. I do it for my squad, cause we always going hard. Said I do this for my squad, I do this for my squad. Throw your hands up like you know who we are. Back in the day, back to where I used to stay. I said I used to do it, man, chilling out there every day. I never went to school, but I still graduated. My auntie said she raised me and she's so glad I made it. And all them niggas hate it, and now I'm back on top. I said I never left it, I just hid in the spot. I meant I chilled in the spot. I had to lay low, cause when you shine like this, it's really hard to glow. But I do it for my squad, just to let you know. And then I had a brawl, I had to let it go. I had to let him know that this is what it is. It is what it is, my squad's what it is. I do this for my squad, this is where we are. We make it to the top, cause we gotta get the job. Said I do this for my squad, we always going hard. I said we started off just chilling in my yard. Cause I do this for my squad, I do this for my squad. Throw your hands up like you know who we are. Cause I do this for my squad, I do this for my squad. I do this for my squad, gotta rep my cousin quad. Now I'm out in that, you can find me out on Pendleton. I said I do not give a fuck, I'm out on Pendleton. Yep, my rent's paid and my car note too. And if you got a problem, I will call and note you. Putting dollars on your head, put that hate and shit to bed. I said all I see is red, cause I'm not ever scared. I see a nigga dead and I laugh at the fact. And you better lay low, cause the aftermath will be the end of your ever existence. I said I do not give a fuck, and this is real shit. I do this for my squad, cause we the illest. But like I said before, it started off with us chillin'. I do this for my squad, this is where we are. We always going hard, like we going to the bar. Now this is for my squad, this is for my squad. I said I'm gonna kill it because this is for my squad. This is for my squad, this is for my squad. This is where we are, yeah, I do this for my squad. Smoke a L from the squad, and I always got a rep from my cousin quad. Hey.